Wig terminology. Words you should know. 11 to 20. Color blending. Color blending is a technique of applying different shades of hair dye to create a natural-looking, multi-dimensional effect. It can help to cover gray hair, add depth and dimension, or create a subtle change in your hair color. Hair color blending can be done with highlights, lowlights, balayage, ombre, or other methods. Curl pattern. Curl pattern refers to the natural shape or texture of the hair used in a wig. Custom wig. A wig made to fit the specific measurements and requirements of an individual, offering a personalized and tailored fit. Denier. A unit of measurement that determines the thickness. Denier can be used to describe the thickness of wig lace foundation or the thickness of individual hair strands. Hair density. A measurement of how closely set together fibers or human hair are applied into a hair system. Also determining how many hairs per square inch throughout the piece, i.e. thickness or fullness of the hair on a wig.
Double-drawn hair. Double-drawn hair means the hair is of the same length, resulting in a fuller and more uniform appearance. Single-drawn hair. Single-drawn hair contains multiple lengths that are mixed. The hair is usually thick at the top and thin at the ends. French lace. French lace is the most common, economical type of lace used in wig making. It is frequently used for training purposes. Full lace wig. A wig with a base made entirely of lace, allowing for versatile styling and a natural-looking hairline. Glueless wig. A wig designed to be worn without the use of adhesives or glue for attachment.